Good morning, everyone. I'm Nika, and I'm cooking pancakes. Let me crack the egg now. Hey. Keep going, Kuya. Oh, no! Big egg. Wow! Nice job! Time to break that, Let's put the pot. Too much?
Put it all.
Down. Wow! Good going, Kuya. Nice work. Powder. Wow! Add the water. Madami.
Yes. Put it all. Ay, half lang. Enough na po. And then, mix it.
Mix. Do you want to smell it? Yeah. It smells like good.
Smells good.
What? And now, mix. Add a little oil. Just a minute. Mix. Wow! Look at that! Mix. Bye. Bye. We're gonna go home. It's time to cook the pancake. Scoop a little and put it here. When you see bubble, it's time to dip. Wow! I do it! I'm good at this. It's time to taste my pancake. Do. Oh, and I'm gonna eat this.